Hi, my name is Mikhail. I'm CG Supervisor in VR department. I'm excited to present you our trainings that will make you familiar with virtual reality applications. Your experience doesn't matter, as we have prepared courses that will guide you from the beginning to the point where you can make your own apps by yourself. In the course, we'll consider Autodesk Maya for the development of models for virtual and augmented reality apps. Our course on Autodesk Maya will start from basics of modeling, then we'll enhance our experience and skills of modeling with the course devoted to the creation of high and low poly models, texturing, rigging and animation in Maya. We'll finish our modeling course with the basics of Mel scripting and Python programming language for Maya users. I also invite you to participate in our courses on building applications in Unity 3D to become skilled in programming. We'll teach you how to create an app from scratch and how to adjust them for VR devices. Interested? Come and join our classes.